So we're with our patient Kristen, who just literally 30 minutes ago came out of the operating room. We finished her surgery 30 minutes ago. She's wide awake. Now we have her under this ELIXIR MD yellow light LED light emitting diode. So that's 60,000 joules of LED light. And the purpose of that is to decrease the swelling and the inflammation. And we do it immediately after the procedure. So she's gonna go home. She already has minimal swelling from the technique of the surgery anyway, but this helps reduce all the initial inflammation. And we'll probably do this a couple more times in the next week. And in 1 week, she gets her tape off of her nose and we'll do it again. And you'll see, it's pretty remarkable how little swelling and recovery she'll have.